There is something so unique, organic, and even therapeutic about random paint patterns. And this is the reason why I'm so excited about today's video. Today I have with me the Marbling Paint Kit, which is available on PepPlay. What makes this kit so special is that it is self-contained. It has all the material one requires to really experiment with the marbling technique. And the best part is that it is kid-friendly, so anyone over 3 years of age can master this art with the kit. The kit contains 6 dyes, a jar of carrageenan, which is a natural substance used as a thickener, a measuring spoon, a pipette, 3 stylus, a scraper, a tray, 10 marbling papers, and an instruction booklet. I'm really excited about this, so without further ado, let's begin. First, take about 500 ml of water in a bowl and using the measuring spoon provided in the kit, put 2 scoops of carrageenan into it. Carrageenan is basically a thickener which is added to increase the viscosity of water so that the dye continues to float on the surface and not easily dissolve. I would recommend using a plastic spoon or the scraper to mix in the carrageenan and refrain from using your hands instead, since it may trigger minor allergies if you're sensitive to it. You may also choose to mix the carrageenan in hot water instead, but remember to allow the mixture to cool down before use. If there are still some impurities left in the mixture, you may use a sieve or a cotton cloth to remove them. Any extra mixture may be stored in a sealed container for later use. Now pour the mixture into the tray provided with the kit. Next, give the dye bottle a good shake. Now comes the fun part. Choose a bottle of dye and allow a few drops to fall on the surface of the mixture. In the first demo, I'm going to show you all the colors that are provided in the kit. You may use a stylus to move the pigments around to form organic patterns. Next, gently lower the paper on the surface of the mixture face down, making sure that it does not completely submerge. Gently lift the paper and voila! You have some really interesting whorls and patterns. You can clearly see that the colors are quite bright and intense. Let's experiment some more. There is something so therapeutic about marbling art. Since there is no pressure about constraining oneself within lines, boundaries, or even colors, one can just abandon themselves to the process. Now let's look at few ways of using these lovely patterns to create something unique. There are many ways your marbling paper may be used. One way is to cut out large sections and turn them into gift wraps, book covers, or pretty bookmarks such as these. Or you can even cut smaller patterns and stick them to make a card like this one. These are just simple examples, but the possibility to use these marbling sheets is endless. Overall, this marbling painting kit is a great set to have. Priced at Rs 1,799, it may sound expensive, but with 6 bottles of 16 ml dye, you get more bang for bucks. It gives you ample opportunity to experiment with this technique and churn out beautiful and creative marbling craft projects. If you enjoyed this video, do click the like button and do subscribe to my channel to watch an art supply review every Wednesday.